How to view blocked account on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to view blocked accounts on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Firstly, launch a Snapchat app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap the Bitmoji at the top left corner of the screen. On this profile feed, select your gear icon at top right corner. Then you will get access to this page, that is the settings page. You need to scroll down and locate the options for blocked users, which is under account actions. Tap on it and here, since I don't have any blocked Snapchatters, if you have any, you will see all of the blocked Snapchatters on this section. To unblock, you can tap the cross mark next to the username and they will be unblocked. So this is how we block or view the blocked accounts on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe.